Triangle full-face motorcycle helmets, off-road motocross helmet for men and women, dual visor with internal tinted sunshield, open-face 3/4 adult racing helmet. Approved, black, L. About this item: open black lens bracket, safe and reliable closed black lens bracket. Triangle motorcycle helmets meet the DOT FMVSS-218 safety standards, using high-quality ABS shell and EPS linings to provide security for your driving. It is a good choice for your motorcycle helmet or adult ATV helmet. Open black lens bracket, dual visor system and detachable chin guard, closed black lens bracket. This system comes with a clear outer visor and a built-in sunshield. The outer visor is easily removable for replacement, and we offer 4 models to meet your diverse needs. Open black lens bracket, convertible design, closed black lens bracket. This helmet offers a versatile design that smoothly transitions between a full face and open face configuration, providing flexibility to accommodate various riding conditions and personal preferences. Open black lens bracket, adult size racing helmets, closed black lens bracket. Our helmets are available in 5 sizes: S, M, L, XL, XXL, to fit all adult riders. Measure your head circumference for a perfect fit. Choose the size based on our size chart. Open black lens bracket, comfortable and breathable design, closed black lens bracket. Our adult motorcycle helmets have a removable, washable, and replaceable lining for your comfort and breathability. If you face any issues with our triangle helmets, contact us anytime.